Hey guys, they've unveiled the new Jurassic coaster. It's wow, looks amazing. And then you have the castle right there and the backdrop. So you can see it just about as soon as you walk into Islands of Adventure. stepping into the splash zone. Get a nice cool off on my walk out of here. Wasn't bad. Think we'll get a little closer. Hello guys. Just got off the Jurassic Park ride. I'm soaked. In a few seconds, you'll see why. I always sit in the front seat. I know some of you guys are in colder climates, but we're getting in the 90s or high 80s almost every day this week here in Orlando. T-Rex is broken right now. He usually comes out at the end of the ride. And it's kind of odd since they closed this ride for a while to do maintenance. But things break. I did inform them, and the woman told me she's on vacation. I'm going to turn the camera in a second because I see something, but I want to wait. I don't want to miss the next one that's going to actually have people on it. I see something I never saw before. Oh, I said people. It's got one person. But the wait time for this ride is like 5 minutes. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a treasure chest, it looks like, in the water. I never saw that before. Oh well. But yeah, this ride, if you get to the park at rope drop, you can get on this and Kong without waiting. Usually the Harry Potter ride, but it's extra crowded today because of spring break. But normally you could get on those 3 rides without waiting. And you can throw in the that cartoon, Dudley Do Right. Usually no wait for that either. All right, that's it for now, guys.